Did you know minimalism started in the art world before transforming into a lifestyle trend sweeping the globe? Let's explore how we got here. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of minimalism. From its humble beginnings in the art world to becoming a way of life, minimalism has permeated various aspects of our existence: design, fashion, and even our personal habits. But why has it become so popular, and what does it really mean to live a minimalist life? Let's find out. While the idea of minimalism is appealing, adopting this lifestyle comes with its own set of challenges. Consumerism, societal pressures, and the constant barrage of advertisements make it difficult to live simply. Many people struggle to break free from the cycle of accumulating more stuff. It's not just about decluttering your home, it's about changing your mindset. If you're enjoying this content and want to learn more about minimalist living, please subscribe to our channel. To understand the rise of minimalism, we need to look back at its origins. Minimalism as a movement began in the 1960s, primarily in the art world. Artists like Donald Judd and Agnes Martin sought to strip art down to its most fundamental features, using simple geometric forms and limited color palettes to focus on purity and essence. This movement quickly spread beyond art, influencing architecture and design. Minimalist architecture emphasizes clean lines, open spaces, and a lack of clutter. Think of iconic buildings by architects like Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, who famously coined the phrase, "less is more." These designs aimed to create spaces that were functional yet serene, allowing the inhabitants to find peace in simplicity. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it helps us make more content like this to reach out to our fellow minimalists. Thank you. If you're ready to embark on your minimalism journey, we've got a 30-day minimalism and decluttering challenge planner for you. You can find the link in the description and comment section below. It's a great way to get started. Minimalism also made its way into fashion, with designers like Calvin Klein and Jill Sander promoting clothing that is timeless, versatile, and free from unnecessary embellishments. The goal was to create a wardrobe that is both practical and stylish, encouraging people to invest in quality over quantity. A pivotal moment in the rise of minimalism was the publication of Marie Kondo's book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, in 2011. Her KonMari method, which encourages keeping only items that spark joy, resonated with millions around the world. It highlighted the emotional and psychological benefits of living with less, transforming minimalism from a niche concept into a mainstream movement. Kondo's approach brought minimalism into everyday homes, emphasizing the importance of mindfulness and intentionality in our relationships with our belongings. This shift helped people realize that minimalism is not just about aesthetics, but also about enhancing our well-being. Minimalism has evolved from an art movement into a comprehensive lifestyle that promotes mental clarity, environmental sustainability, and overall well-being. By reducing excess and focusing on what truly matters, minimalism allows us to lead more meaningful and fulfilling lives. If you're curious about how minimalism can positively impact your life, I encourage you to explore it further. Remember, it's not about having less for the sake of it, it's about making room for more. More time, more freedom, and more joy. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on more insights into the minimalist lifestyle. See you in this next video.